Hi everyone, thanks for checking out another InfoSec Hub video, and today we're going to talk about moving away from big tech in the United States for security and mostly privacy reasons, and I'm going to show you a very quick way to do that. You know, if you run a business or even you have lots of communication with clients or maybe even your family or loved ones about projects or personal things, that I'm sure privacy to you is important. Things are shifting in the world. I mean, America always used to be an ally that you can depend on. And to a certain degree, we can still do that. But things are really shifting. Europe is more about regulation. And the United States is more about innovation. So there are two different kind of thought patterns. Also, Europe doesn't really have a big tech industry. We have cloud in France. I think ONS Cloud, and we have various clouds in Germany. They're all scattered around, and yeah, they have good services, but they're not as big as Google or Microsoft, of course. Okay, so you want to get rid of big tech. You want to, let's say, move away from Google. And you use Google Cloud, you use Google Workspace, so you use the agenda function, you use the video call service. It's not what is it called? It's not. I don't even know because I don't use it. It uses it. Yeah, it works quite well a couple of years ago, but it's all for free, and it's for free because they kind of Google uses your data to analyze the service and to sell your data, so they can, basically pay for the free service. If you have something against that, you can move away from them, and we have a alternative here in Europe, basically in Switzerland. So it's not even part of the Europe, but GDPR is also valid for Switzerland because they also adopted that. Okay, this is the intro. Now we're moving to what should you do. Let's say, for instance, you have a company laptop. You work on Microsoft as your company laptop. I have Windows 11 on it because that's the standard. If you have a private laptop or you have an older laptop that has been, in this case, maybe been using Windows 10 for the last couple of years and now it's end of life, this is a great time to step over from Windows to, let's say, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux based. It has a graphical user interface, so it's not command line, it's a graphical user interface. It's been around for many years. Many people really like it. It's a great way to step into the world of Linux, I should say. If you want a little bit more stability and some different tweaks, I would go for Fedora. This is another great distribution. I'm also been using this for the last 7 to 8 years already. This is my to-go distribution. I only use Ubuntu server as a file server here at home. That's it. Not taking away anything from it that it's not good software or anything, but this Fedora is different in the way that I like it better. It's better for me personally. That's why I throw it in there. But what you basically do is you go to the Ubuntu page, ubuntu.com, you go here to download for free. It is the desktop version, and you want to have the LTS version, the long-term support, which means 5 years of security and maintenance updates. So you can extend the life of your laptop for another 5 years, basically. So that's great. What you do is you download here this ISO file. You can burn it onto a USB drive, for instance. Let's see if I can see the tool that I use that I can show you is it's called Rufus, I think. Rufus here. This is this tool you can use to basically make a USB drive bootable, meaning that it can start this image from the USB. You need to go to the BIOS for that. There are great tutorials out there on how to do that, but this is basically the software you need to write the image onto the USB drive. Then it can become bootable, and then you can from there start installing the operating system onto your computer. So that's step one. So then you have your laptop in this case, or maybe even a desktop computer. You have Ubuntu there, long-term support, done. What you want next is, and you saw that already, you can still integrate it here with Microsoft and Google, but that's something you don't want. Otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. What we want to do is go to Proton. And Proton offers email, VPN services, cloud storage, even a password manager, docs. So it basically has this workspace that Google offers, and it has a calendar, wallet, I don't know, maybe crypto even, or maybe just, I don't know exactly what it is. They have an authenticator, and they even have an AI, so privacy-friendly AI alternative to ChatGPT or Copilot, you name it. I'm not being sponsored. This is just a quick video, I hope it's quick, on how to move away from Google services, Microsoft services, and be in control. So you can create a free account, but I will compare plans just for the sake of it. The free account offers you 1 GB of storage for one user and one email address. Basic stuff, basically the same as you get from a free Google account, only 15 GB of storage then. If you want 15 GB, then you can move to this Mail Plus plan. So you have 15 GB for your, let's see if that already includes cloud storage, encrypted cloud storage. Yeah, folders and labels. I think this refers to the cloud already, but this definitely refers to cloud. So I think you should look into this one, the best deal. It's only a few euros more, let's say 6.5, 7 a month on a monthly basis, but you have 500 GB of storage in the cloud. That's a lot. 15 email addresses if needed. Unlimited folders, labels, dedicated customer support, so you can if something is wrong, you can call somebody on the other side and they will help you out. And you have a VPN, so if you travel around the world a lot, then you have a secure Swiss VPN. It's like a Swiss pocket knife, huh? Encrypted password manager, which is also great. And advanced account protection. Not sure. Advanced threat protection that detects and blocks targeted attacks against high risk or sensitive accounts. This is good stuff, guys. So basically for less than €7 a month, you have 500 GB of encrypted cloud storage and probably all the stuff that comes with it. So you also have, this is for one user. And if you want it for 2 users, then it's like this. So if you also want your wife or business partner to move away from big tech, you can go for this duo subscription. Individuals, families, duo, families even bigger, so up to 6 users, and you can even use it for business. Let's say business plan, recommend. Okay, 1 terabyte per team member, and how many per user? Okay, like I see. So this is like 13 euros per user per month, and they have 1 terabyte of cloud storage, which is it's a lot. All right, so this is basically my approach. If you want to move away from big tech, if you want to protect your data, your personal files, your emails, your data connection with VPN, you can connect it anywhere from the world. I would do a double check for China, but still, I think it will work there as well. Not sure. I should check it out. But this is basically my approach. What I would do personally, which is, you basically don't even need to invest. The laptop you probably already have. The operating system is for free, and Proton costs some money, but that's because it's a service, and it costs money because they are not selling your data. And that's basically the whole point of this video. So let me know what you use to protect your privacy and increase your security of your online accounts. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and we see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.